So this is the cheapest smartwatch you can get in India, not from the wish.com or AliExpress. In fact, from the Indian e-commerce. I'm actually not expecting an Apple Watch for 400, but it has some promising features. So let's unbox it. भाई ने पैक तो बहुत अच्छे से किया है। Okay. So it has a pretty standard unbranded box. The model name is D13. On the front side, it has feature icons, heart rate, temperature, calories, steps, GPS and calling. And on the back side, some other specifications, display which is 1.3 inches and Bluetooth 4, USB chargeable, weight is 27 grams, charging time 2 hours, strap material TPU or dimensions likhe hain. These are the available colors and this specific is the black one. Let's open it. Oh, there. Okay, there are some documents where they have mentioned which app to download. This should be a Fit Pro app and a good quality strap for a 400 price point. And this is the watch. On the back side you can see the sensor, and on the front side it is having a touch button. It's already on. Beautiful. It's not looking bad, I would say, for a price of 400. So let's test it out. One good thing is it has interchangeable straps, so you can change the color anytime, and you can directly put it inside the charger to charge it. So that is an easy task. The display looks beautiful as you are not able to notice the bezels because it has a black background. In actual, it has a 1.3 inch display, that's it, and these all are the bezels. So I would say it doesn't have a touch screen, although it has a touch button from where you can change the menu, and you can always long press on the button to get inside the option, like in this settings. And there are also two styles for the watch. One is this and the other one can be changed with a long press, like this. So let's check out the sensors. And this is for heart rate. Okay. And now the blood pressure. So this seems to be working correctly. So basically you need this app to connect with the watch, and the app name is HryFine, and you have to register with your email ID and phone number for the first time. And once you download it, you have to switch on your Bluetooth and click on this watch icon. And it says the handbrake is connected. That means it is already connected. And you can also manage the notifications from here. Yeah, so you can enable and disable any reminders you want, and it simply pops up on your watch when you receive any notification. And you can also set alarm, D&D, vibration. So this app is pretty handy and it is easy to manage the notifications and other features of the watch. And I think this watch is pretty good. It tracks your steps, kilometers, calories, give you all the notifications for the calls, for the WhatsApp, for Facebook, any text, all notification you get. And there's the heart rate sensor which tracks your heart rate and blood pressure also. So I think for this price point you can't get a deal better than this, for sure. The link is in the description from where to buy it, and you can also ping me on my Instagram or Facebook to know if you have any issues. Till then, bye.